Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Windows Copilot AI to be more productive on your Windows PC. Whether you're working, studying, or managing daily tasks, Copilot can help you save time and work smarter. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using Windows 11. To open Copilot, click on the Copilot icon on the taskbar, or simply press Windows key plus C on your keyboard. Once Copilot opens, you'll see a chat box where you can type your questions or commands. You can use Copilot to write emails, summarize documents, or get quick answers. For example, you can type something like, "Write a professional email," or "Summarize this topic for me." Copilot can also help you find files on your computer. Just ask, "Find my presentation file," or "Open my budget spreadsheet." Another useful feature is changing system settings. You can ask Copilot to turn on dark mode, adjust volume, or change display settings, all without opening menus. Overall, Windows Copilot works like a smart assistant built into your PC, helping you finish tasks faster and stay focused. And that's it. That's how you can use Windows Copilot AI for better productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.